It's okay. Just a few second video.
Dude, he caught that right out of the air.
Oh shit.
That's so cool. Good job, guys. In the back, huh? Oh man, he intercepted it.
Dude.
This is after that.
Scarlett, keep an eye out for pigs.
Hey,
I don't want them coming here.
Hey, stop. Here you go. You share. I wasn't talking to you guys. I was saying the other guy. No one likes an interceptor. Like you. You're an interceptor. Intercept that.
Wow.
All over there.
Wow.
That's it, guys.
the reverse Spider-Man.
I'm sorry, guys. That's all I got.
Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Better pray to God we're not gonna reenact the birds.
We're gonna have a riot.
Better pray to God we're not gonna reenact the birds.
We're gonna have a riot. They're gonna rebel. They're gonna be like, you should have brought more food.
It's alright.
That's alright.
I got weed.
We do though.
Oh, let me try to throw some bud. Let me see what happens.
No, don't waste a bud. No.
Just a little bit. Alright. Hey. You want some?
Don't,
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
I don't want that.
They don't think it's
Oh,
food.
I guess.
That's
Sorry.
freaky.
Y'all want no food, right?
That's a bit freaky.
Sorry.
No,
My phone died.
In the freaking car.
There we go. At least I got a 1 minute video out of it.
That was cool.
Yeah.
You should send that to me.
Yeah, I
I'll
will.
feed my birds. I should bring some more Cliff Bars next time. I didn't know. We'd have Seagulls. Seagulls just pigeons.
They're upset.
Yeah.
You hurt their feelings, Reed.
I don't see everybody. It's not as much because of those undersnacking guys.
Are you gonna try to catch one?
I'm gonna try. Try not get a disease. I'm gonna try not get a disease either. I hope to God I don't get COVID from these birds. Actually, nah, I shouldn't pet them because what if these birds are carrying COVID and we're breathing them? True.
Where was you gonna get from it?
What?
Dude, I don't even know where you would get.
It's
I don't
the same
even
thing
know
as,
if
like
COVID
catching
would-
a wild mouse.
Me just following them around for like no reason
A
whatsoever.
couple of them are trying out the mango.
Try the mango.
They're like, oh, make food. Is there food over here?
It is edible. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Alright,
We got the.
Fight over the mango.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe they're trying to fuck. Because it is mating season. Me and my mom and my nana caught a deer fucking in our in the field in the front yard.
That's nice.
Oh,
Yeah, we were going to New York
I've never seen that before.
that
I
morning.
saw some mammals fucking when I was driving by. One, I think it was either like a cows or chicken. I think it was chickens. It was chickens. I saw 2 chickens fucking when I was driving by it one day. Some foreign thing. Alright guys, that's all I got.
They're just looking at us like, bitch, give us more.
I know. I don't have anything in here you guys will eat.
Nope.
This is nice though.
Yeah. At least some of them. Oh, look at that one.
I suddenly feel like driving, not driving, looking up where like a restaurant is around here?
Oh yeah, I'm getting hungry.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, the candy is satisfying. The rest is for you, by the way. I'm just telling her that the candy's for her.
Oh my god.
I only had like one.
Oh.
Oh.
As I ate like half the bag today.
Oh.
Oh.
I only want.
You eat my half on me?
I'm sorry.
How many
Baby,
are left?
you're supposed
3.
to share.
3?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, do you want me to lie
No.
and say that there was like a bunch in there?
Wasn't there like 12
Exactly.
of them? How many did you have, baby?
A lot.
Dude.
A lot.
Baby, you're so fucking...
It wasn't working, so I tried more. I'm gonna be fucked.
Baby, you're getting train wrecked.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to babysit you.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm gonna go have to show you your time.
Maybe. I need a shave.
2 are for me, 1 for you.
You don't
each
need
get
to.
2.
Oh,
What?
What? I thought you said there was 3
I
left.
can get more
Yeah.
candy.
2 for
So
me,
you-
1 for you.
Oh, I was gonna say.
We can get more candy. You know that, right? I can buy more candy.
No, homeboy's going home probably. He's like in Williston.
True.
What? Oh yeah, we can.
Because we're going to Walmart.
Oh yeah, we should probably go to Walmart.
Yeah, before they close at 10.
And I gotta pee anyway. I can't pee in the city.
And we're
Yeah.
running out of freaking refreshments.
So we say it's time to go.
Yeah.
All right.
That stinks. That's okay.
We only got like a...
Let me hit one more time, quick.
Yeah, me too. Fuck. Cause I've been kind of wanting another hit before we do anything. And then I was
I'm really
waiting.
fucking
I was
hungry.
being patient for you to take it.
Oh shit. Dude, I think I forgot.
Oops.
Is it a black one?
Yeah. Oh, you grabbed it. Thank you. Very helpful. Now let's be yelled at for not being PC.
Yeah, for not being a PC.
Yeah.
For not being a
Wait.
PC.
Hey, babe, by the way.
Now to find the car.
Your drink spilled. Finally, your drink spilled. Because I spilled it.
You finally spilled your drink?
Because I
Yeah.
spilled it.
This is all of us.
Yeah, I did
Oh.
spill my drink.
Motherfucker, and it didn't even have to be you.
Alright, let's get it.
Mm-hmm. Let me just set this right here for a quick sec. I'm not throwing it away, I'm still drinking it.
You're looking for me.
Black. Thank you. Alright. There's an ATM over there. I am an ATM.
Yeah, only for me.
Her, yeah, for you, both of you.
Both of us. Oh shit.
You want to hit the ATM?
No, I was just saying. I just happened to see him. But there's an ATM if you guys need it.
Unless everyone else is fucking credit cards changing that across the state.
Yeah, right, so true.
I almost missed the boat. No, not the fucking scooters, but you know, like the ants and the spiders and the flies and like. What the hell is
Oh,
it?
they're
Usually
around.
shit crawls all over me. Nothing's crawling on me this year.
They're around. Maybe they just don't want you. They're over here.
Look at that mean, wow.
They got a new girlfriend.
They both got a new girlfriend. Maybe they're just not ready to come out of their hibernation yet.
Maybe you just didn't find the right group.
I don't know, because, well, you know, the world's been basically going to
You'll
shit.
find the right colony at some point.
Yeah.
You are
Wow. Wow.
You just didn't find the right colony.
you're calling
Wow, that was a good one though. Wow. Wow.
Alright, where the fuck is Bank Street?
Where the fuck are we now?
Bank Street. I don't even know where we're going.
Yeah, we just kind of sort of walked up here.
Are we going back to the car? Oh, that's so cool.
Oh,
Yeah, dude.
then I know.
Oh,
Yeah, she did.
well, why did we go that way?
Oh, that's